Coastal homes face tough conditions, salty air, humidity, and harsh sun, but doesn't mean they have to be weathered all the time. In this episode of Welcome Home, we're meeting with the woman-owned team at A+ Pro Services who's bringing the sparkle back to coastal living. This is Sheila Smeltzer. She's the owner of A+ Pro Services. Sheila, how did you get started?
I got started in the window cleaning industry by moving to Brunswick County after being raised in the Midwest and really just raised with service in my blood. And I discovered that there are a number of retirees moving to the area that built houses too big that they couldn't take care of. And so I identified a need, and that was really access to different various parts of these large homes, and also things like window cleaning and house washing and services like that.
So through window cleaning, you've added more services on top of that, and now you have a plethora of services that you offer. Tell us about the services.
Yeah, we have an entire menu. You know, when you start as a professional window cleaner, it's a very detail-oriented method, okay? So now, as working for different clients and just identifying the wants and needs that they have, we've got everything from roof cleaning, solar panel cleaning, gutter cleaning, house washing, everything out to the edge of the driveway. So it's just become very natural to be able to build on our menu and keeping everything very complementary to each other.
What would you say makes your company stand out among all the other companies out there? What do you do differently that makes you shine?
Oh man, well, first of all, experience. I mean, I have always learned everything the hard way, but I've always taken every opportunity to learn and grow. And so just having the experience of working in the southeastern climate, working in the homeowners associations and working in these different communities that we're very used to has just taught me everything that has led us to where we are today. But also there's a lot of industry involvement. I've been very engaged in the window cleaning, pressure washing, and janitorial industries since 2006. Other than that, it is really listening to our clients over the years, like I have said, and building relationships with them and just really catering and hearing how they want these services done, and that's how we've molded what we do.
What do homeowners need to know about living in such proximity to the beach?
So I've identified 8 environmental threats of living on the southeastern coast, very specific to our area. The 3 are the biological threats, which are your mold, mildew, algae. But then we get into oxidation, which is UV exposure, corrosion, which is salt exposure. Tree canopy and over impeding landscape is a huge threat to homes, and also environmental staining. So there's a number of things, but most people do not understand that if they live within 5 miles of the beach, if the crow flew, all of the exterior materials that make and build their home deteriorate 50 times faster. So just by investing in preventative maintenance, we can deter the long-term investment of repair and replacement.
Well, let's go back to services just for a minute because we were talking about you have routine, you have non-routine, and you have preventative, which I assume is really important. So tell us more about those.
Okay, so routine services are removing just normal dirt and debris that accumulate on any surface. Non-routine services include anything that includes stain removal, where now you have a stain that's embedded into a surface. So that requires what we call restoration. So we call it non-routine, it's the same as restoration. But then we also have another segment of the company where we do preventative services. So let's talk about future maintenance, let's talk about prevention, keeping things looking nice so that we don't let them build up and get ugly. So now we have services that actually can apply coatings, glass coatings, roof coatings, concrete coatings that prevent these stains from embedding, and we can just stay on normal routine services that are less costly.
And last question, you were saying 60% of your business is homeowners.
Yes.
I'm sure you stay really busy with that, but you also do a lot of commercial.
Yes, we have close to 7,000 clients on our homeowner database. Homeowners associations, property owners associations, commercial buildings of any sort. We can offer a turnkey cleaning package from interior to exterior all the way out to the edge of the parking lot, high dusting, vacuuming, floor care, you name it.
Well, thank you so much.
Yes.
Don't let your biggest investment break down over time. Give A+ Pro Services a call to get started today. We'll see you next time.